Hello everyone, it's Asate Games. Today I am going to show you how you can use trigger collision with Defold. If we go to our player and see the collision object, we have four type of collisions: dynamic, kinematic, static, and trigger. We will be using trigger for this coin collect effect because it will trigger the coin collection. Let's add a label to our player so we will be able to see how many coins we have. Let's increase the size. And we have 0 coins. Now we also need a coin object. Right click and add a game object. Name it coin. Our coin object will have a collision object and a sprite. For the collision object, I am going to right click and add a box shape. This is enough. And for the sprite, we need a tile source. I have this image, coin image, but we can't use it directly, unfortunately, so we need to right click, add a new tile source and name it coin. Select the coin image. Great. Now go to the sprite and select the coin tile source, and for the default, anim. And now we have our coin. Let's move it close to player so player actually will be able to interact with it, reach it, scale it up. Now go to coins collision object and set it to trigger, and go to group and put it on collectible group. We also need to see the player. Go to our player collision object and for the mask put collectible there, so we will also see the collectible group. Now we are almost done. We need to make change to player script, so we will actually do something when we get to our coin. For this, we need to go to our player script and add new lines. First, we add a new local variable named coin amount. We set it to 0 because we don't have any at first. Then we go to our onMessage method. We added new, and on the message, we check two things. First, we check if the message ID is a trigger response. So this check if the collision object is set to trigger. And we check the group of the message if it's in the collectible. If both of them are true, we run the inner part. First, we add a coin. Then we set the label to be able to see it. So we set the coin amount. I use two dots to add two strings together. This is for debug purposes. You don't need this actually, but it can stay. And we have game object.delete message other ID. This will free our object after we collect it. This is all you need. So now let's go and add more coins for test purposes. Let's use Ctrl B to check. And as you can see, we have collected the coin and our coin amount also went up by 1. And that's it. This is how you can use trigger collisions with Defold. You can find and download this project from the link I am going to leave to the comment section. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.